What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. I want to do technical analysis here on ticker symbol DMAC. I really liked the way this stock set up the first hour of the day. Just great opportunities on this, and I want to show you guys how you use the past to help guide the future. If we pull up DMAC here on finviz.com, I always want to try to check to see what the float is, the shares outstanding, the short percent ratio, insider ownership, institutional ownership, its average true range. I can see it's a low float stock at 9 million shares. Its average true range, it likes to move about 50 cents. So keep that in mind. Its average true range, 50 cents. Now we go back to the chart here on DMAC. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. I love looking at charts at mental areas. Whole dollar levels, $5 every 50 cents, $5.50 every 25 cents, so $5.25, $5.50, $5.75, $6, and so on. Those are always going to act as natural support and resistance because traders like trading around mental areas. $5, $5.25, $5.50, $5.75, $6, and so on. The biggest resistance and support levels are always going to be $1 levels, $5 levels, $10 levels, and $100 levels. With DMAC, we see here pre-market, this blue shaded area here, it popped all the way up to $5.80 right here. And when it pulled back, it pulled right back to this $5 area here, a mental area. And right from this $5 area, it opens up right here, $5, and rips all the way up to almost $6. And at around the area, it ran up to pre-market. Let this sell off. It sold all the way back down, and look at right where it bounced at. Right there, $5. And then its average true range was 50 cents. This popped right up to this 5.50 level right here. Slowly but surely, this sold all the way back down. Look at right where it curved at and bottomed. Right there. This $5 mental level. Slowly curved all the way down and then started curving up and then shot all the way up to this 570 level, pulled back, hung around this 525 level, broke through it, and you see how it surged and then slowly sold down all the way back to this $5 level, and then it surged all the way through that $5 level, all the way down to 475. And then when it came back up, look at what was resistance on it, $5. And then from that, it just crashed all the way down to 440. The more times a stock will test a support area or a resistance area, the weaker that area is going to get. This came down to this $5 level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. On the 7th time, it broke through it and fell down. It was only able to come up to this 550 level once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So 7 times it hit support, 4 times it hit resistance. The more times it hits a level like that, like I said, it's going to break through it. There was really great opportunities on this to scalp as a trader 3 times at least from this $5 level. And this is why I love this chart. Right here at the open from 5, ripped up almost $1. 1,000 shares, that's $1,000. Pulls all the way back down, bounced again, right there at $5. Pops up to 550, 1,000 shares, that's $500. Slowly trended down back to this $5 area. Again, 1,000 shares, ripped all the way up to 570. That's $700. All within the first 45 minutes of the market open. Market opened at 9:30 all the way to 10:15. That's a possible $2,300 that could have been made on this stock, trading it 3 times off of a basic level of $5 and selling into the pops up to 550 and 570. Even if you weren't able to catch this all 3 times, even one time for a nice 50-cent bounce off a whole level, $5 up to 550, boom, 500 bucks in your pocket. First hour into the market, not even, and you're done for the day. And then this slowly fell apart and crumbled. I just wanted to share this chart with you guys. This is a playbook play, most definitely, that I try to look for. I love trading off of mental levels, and I wanted to try to show you guys the power of these mental levels. Take a picture of this chart and save it, because this will happen again. These patterns don't form perfectly the same every single time. Every stock is different. Every stock is like a human. They're all different and all move in their own certain ways. And every time this thing popped to the upside, it always popped at least 50 cents right there and right there. That's why I always try to look on Finviz or Yahoo Finance at what the average true range is. That's how the average true range from the previous 14 days, it's giving you how much the stock likes to move. And it's at around 50 cents. Putting it together, acting like a detective, using the past to help guide you for the future. I hope you guys liked this video. Smash that like button if you guys did. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the Trading Learning 101 community. I help you guys out, help me out by simply just hitting that subscribe button. I really do appreciate you guys, and thank you guys all so much. Until next time, as I always say, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. All right, everybody, later.